how are you? I hope all are fine. Now we are discuss about the subject is GK. Let us read the task number 19 to 24. Are you ready, children? See the 19th lesson. I am different. They are gave the answers in the box and gave the answers picture also. You see the picture and choose the correct answer and write it. First, cut one letter and find a new word. First one, clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. What is this picture? Yes, lock. L-O-C-K, lock. You cut the first letter. Is it clear, children? Second one, T-H-E-N, then. You cut the first letter, T. What is the remaining letter? H-E-N-N. You write in the box, H-E-N-N. Third one, B-R-I-N-G, bring. You cut the first letter, B. What is the remaining letters? R-I-N-G, ring. You write in the box, R-I-N-G, ring. Fourth one, T-H-A-T, that. You cut the first letter. Remaining letters, H-A-T, hat. Right here, H-A-T, hat. Fifth one, pant. P-A-N-T, pant. You cut the first letter. What is the remaining letters? A-N-T, ant. You write in the box, A-N-T, ant. Sixth one, pear. P-E-A-R, pear. You cut the first letter, P. Remaining letters, E-A-R, ear. Right here, E-A-R, ear. Seventh one, S-H-A-R-E, share. You cut the first letter, S. Remaining letters, H-A-R-E, hair. H-A-R-E, hair. You write here. Eighth one, fox. You cut the first letter, F. Okay, children. Remaining letters, O-X, ox. You write here, O-X, ox. Is it clear, children? See the next lesson. What is the next lesson, children? How do we travel? Complete the sentences. How do we travel? Complete the sentence. They are gave the answers in the box and gave the pictures also. You see the picture and choose the correct answer, write it. I go to the park on my bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. Second one, my sister goes to school in a school bus. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. B-U-S, bus, school bus. Third one, my brother goes to college on a scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. Fourth one, children, my father goes to office in a car. C-A-R, car. Fifth one, my mother takes an auto. A-U-T-O, auto, when she goes for shopping. Sixth one, we go to Bangalore in a train. T-R-A-I-N, train. Seventh one, my uncle went abroad in an aeroplane. A-E-R-O, aero, P-L-A-N-E, plane, aeroplane. Eighth one, my sick grandma was taken to hospital in an ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. Is it clear, children? See the 21st lesson, children. Home sweet home. Where do they live? They are gave the answers in a box. Gave the pictures in both sides. We are see the pictures and assume the correct answer. Write in the blanks. Okay, children. First one, dog. D-O-G, dog. Lives in a kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. Second one, hen, 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 lives in a hoop, COOP, hoop. Third one, pig, 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 lives in a sty, STY, sty. Fourth one, lion, 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 lives in a den, DEN, den. Fifth one, children, cow, 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 lives in a shed, SHED, shed. Sixth one, rat, 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 lives in a hole, HOLE, hole. Next one, bird, 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 lives in a nest, NEST, nest. Bird lives in a nest. Next one, man, 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 lives in a house, HOUSE, house. Man lives in a house. Is it clear, children? See the 22 lesson. See the lesson number 22, children. What is the lesson name? Healthcare. They are gave the answers in a box and gave the pictures also. You see the picture and write the correct answer, children. Answer the following. I read the first question. Where do we get fruits from? The answer is plants, PLANTS, plants. Second one, name the big fruit which is green out and red inside. Name the big fruit which is green out and red inside. The answer is watermelon, WATER, water, MELON, melon, watermelon. Third one, which fruit is used for making jelly? Guava, GUAVA, guava. Fourth one, name the fruit which is used for making wine. The answer is grapes, GRAPES, grapes. Fifth one, which fruit helps us to keep the doctor away? Apple, APPLE, apple. Sixth one, a seedless yellow fruit which can be peeled easily. Banana, BANANA, banana. Seventh one, a very sweet summer fruit which has only one seed inside. The answer is mango, MANGO, mango. Eighth one, a fruit which has thick thorny-like body. The answer is jackfruit, JACK, jack, FRUIT, fruit, jackfruit. Ninth one, which vitamin is mainly present in fruits? The answer is C, vitamin C. Is it clear, children? Next, we are see the lesson number 23. Can you name us? This lesson also they are gave the answers in the box and gave the picture also. You see the picture and write the correct answer, children. Fill the blanks with the name of the figures. First one, piano, PAANO, piano. Second one, accordion, ACCORDIAN, accordion. Third one, violin, VIOLIN, violin. Fourth one, guitar, GUITAR, guitar. Fifth one, tabla, TABLA, tabla. Sixth one, flute, FLUTE, flute. Seventh one, mandolin, MANDOLIN, mandolin. Eighth one, harp, HARP, harp. Ninth one, drums, DRUMS, drums. Tenth one, Veena. V-W-E-N-A. Veena. First one, piano. Second one, accordion. Third one, violin. Fourth one, guitar. Fifth one, tabla. Sixth one, flute. Seventh one, mandolin. Eighth one, harp. Ninth one, drums. Tenth one, veena. Is it clear, children? Next, let us read the task number 24. Let us play. They gave the answers in the box and gave the pictures also. You see the picture and write the correct answer. The first one is cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Second one, football. F-W-O-T. Foot. B-A-L-L. Ball. Football. Third one, boxing. B-O-X-I-N-G. Boxing. Fourth one, golf. G-O-L-F. Golf. Fifth one, hockey. H-O-C-K-E-Y. Hockey. Sixth one, table tennis. T-A-B-L-E. Table. T-E-N-N-I-S. Tennis. Table tennis. Seventh one, chess. C-H-E-S-S. Chess. Eighth one, swimming. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. Swimming. Ninth one, tennis. T-E-N-N-I-S. Tennis. I say again, children. First one, cricket. Second one, football. Third one, boxing. Fourth one, golf. Fifth one, hockey. Sixth one, table tennis. Seventh one, chess. Eighth one, swimming. Ninth one, tennis. Is it clear, children? Okay, children. Read well lesson number 19 to 24. Thank you, children. We will meet the next class.